Sweet colors make us all legs a pie. The saffron on the reservoir is from the morning sun. In the afternoon the rice swelling clouds that run. In the evening the green of berries spawns in the breeze. Our hearts will be by the sweet colors tree. The saffron gives us courage and inspires sacrifice. The rifle is peace and honesty. The green is best in life and green is prosperity. The center wheel is Dharma for the eternities. Tree colors when we look up to the sky. Tree colors make us hold the heads up high. The saffron on the river rise from the morning sun. In the afternoon the rice sailing clouds that run. In the evening the green of berries dance in the breeze. Our hearts will be proud by the sweet colors too. Tricolor of India flutters above the sky. Saffron, white and green is all that swept the flowing sides.